Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Welcome home. Why settle for the typical townhouse when you can rent this upper level 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom house with more practical features and private space? This newly renovated 3-bedroom with ensuite bathrooms, situated in the upper income community of Belgrade Heights, Kingston 19, can be your new home. Just 5 minutes from Havendale Plaza. From the large wraparound balcony, enjoy panoramic views of the city and the surrounding mountains. The unit, with approximately 2,200 square feet, is situated on the first floor. Wi-Fi is included in the rent. There are 2 assigned parking spaces, 1 covered. In-unit laundry, a dedicated water tank, along with a 60 square feet storage area. Automatic driveway gate, panic button for emergency security response, and a private viewing deck at the rear of the house. The property is centrally located to all major amenities and schools, making it ideal for a family. Shared amenities include green area, security cameras, main access gate, and Wi-Fi. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. rental price for this unit is Jamaican $198,000 or US $1,286 per month. To rent, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.